So let's go ahead and take a look at the Nutanix offerings that we provide today, the NX and SX platforms. First, let's go ahead and decipher the Nutanix model number convention. Over on the left-hand side over here, the first two characters, NX represents a Nutanix model, while a SX would represent an Nutanix Express model line, and XC would represent a Dell model line, and an HX would represent a Lenovo model line. The first number on this series here determines the type of product family on the NX model line. So for example, 3 would be a more balanced product portfolio, while a 6 would be a very storage-heavy portfolio. The next number afterwards would be the number of nodes in a chassis. That can end between 1 to 4 nodes. So in this example here, a 4 represents 4 nodes in a chassis, or a 1 would represent 1 node in a chassis. The third number represents the chassis form factor. So for this example here, a 6 represents a 4-node 2U, and a 5 would represent a 1-node 2U. And the fourth number would represent the disk form factor of the unit. So a 0 would represent a 2.5-inch disk form factor, and a 5 would represent a 3.5-inch disk form factor. And then the last two characters represents the generation of the CPU on that particular unit. So let's take a look at the Nutanix platform portfolio. The NX 1000 series is geared toward a remote or branch office, as well as small or medium businesses that need to scale. We have a lower price point compared to the rest of the system, as well as a lower performance. The NX 1000 is also one of the models that can support a 1 gigabit Ethernet connection. A NX 3000 model consists of a 2U 4-node system. It's a balance between your compute and storage workloads, designed for a very high dense physical rack type environment. The NX 6000 series is our storage heavy unit. This consists of a 2U 2-node system where we can add a lot of storage inside each individual node. The NX 8000 series is geared toward a business critical system with its 2U 2-node capacity, such as a Microsoft SQL Server environment, Exchange environment, SharePoint, or a high performance SAP or high performance Oracle database environment. You can put a lot of CPU and a lot of storage capacity and performance in the 8000 series. The SX model series is geared toward a small or medium-sized business that can scale up to only 4 nodes. It's really designed for a lower price point and lower performance as well. So in each of these different types of workloads, we actually have a recommended model. So for instance, the enterprise application, such as the Microsoft SQL Server, we recommend the NX 3000 and 8000 model line. For VDI instances, we recommend the 3000 series for a high dense environment. For data protection and disaster recovery, the NX 6000 model lines are recommended for its high storage capacity. The branch offices, we recommend the 1000 series for its lower price point. The collaboration and unified communications can use a NX 3000 series, and the big data for the NX 6000 series for its large amount of storage. For private and hybrid clouds, we recommend the NX 3000 series for balanced configuration, or the NX 8000 series for higher performance situations. For SMB environments with a limited need to scale, we recommend the SX series appliances for that configuration. For additional Nutanix resources, please visit the Nutanix landing page as well as the partner portal page. For more technical information, please visit the Nutanix Bible.